Hi, today we'll explore important innovations in sustainable agriculture, the design of biofilter system used to deodorize nano-fertilizers derived from biogas digestate. As many of you knows, nano-fertilizers offer several advantages: enhanced nutrient efficiency, reduced application rate, and improved soil health. However, one major challenge remains the unpleasant odor emitted during processing and applications of digestate-based fertilizer. In response to these issues, our topic focuses on the development of biofilter system designed to capture and biologically treat these odor-causing gases. Biofilter, which use in natural microbial media, offer a low-cost and eco-friendly method to reduce emissions, making nanofertilizer production cleaner and more socially acceptable. I'm Julius Jorge Rosalia, and as your presenter today, I aim to walk you through the science behind odor control and the design considerations of biofilter. Effective water management remains a key challenge in promoting nanofertilizer derived from biogas digestate. This study presents a cost-effective and ergonomic biofilter prototype designed to reduce harmful gases emissions such as ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and BCOs. This deter 94.2% of potential users. Three biofilter designs were evaluated based on sustainability, cost, and performance. The final prototype, made from ASTM A387 grade steel and stainless steel, features three parallel cylindrical vessels with compost-based media and was optimized using CFD simulations. With an empty bed retention time of 10 seconds, the system effectively controls odor, improves workplace conditions in livestock industries, and enhance nanofertilizer acceptance. The research advances scalable, sustainable, and odor control solutions in agricultural waste management is being addressed. In the Philippines, converting animal and plant waste into organic fertilizers is a sustainable and affordable agricultural methods. However, its widespread adoption is hindered by strong odor, especially in an urban or densely populated areas. Studies shown that odor is the main complaint about users, caused by compounds like ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and volatile fatty acids, which are released during composting and nanofertilizer productions. Nanofertilizers, especially those made from biogas digestate, emits more odor during mechanical and chemical processes. These emissions not only cause discomfort but also pose environmental and health risks. Solutions such as activated carbons, aerations, microbial additives, and advanced systems like biofilter are being explored. Biofiltration is cost-effective and low-toxic method stand out as a biological solutions for odor reductions. Despite its promise, there is a limited research, especially on biofiltrations for nanofertilizer odors. This study aims to fulfill that gap by designing and evaluating full-scale biofilter prototype. It will include computational simulations and trade-off analysis to optimize efficiency, cost, and sustainability. This initiative supports environmental goals, public health, and innovations in agricultural waste management. A 2021 study survey users of organic fertilizers and found that 94% identified odors as the most significant drawback when using them at home. This highlights the ongoing concern regarding malodor and its rules in limiting public acceptance, especially in densely populated urban environments. Poultry manure productions in the Philippines is around 1,732 metric tons a year, according to the National Agricultural Statistic. The Philippines produce approximately 1.73 million metric tons of poultry manure annually, making it a major source of organic waste in Region 11, contributes significantly with an estimated of 150,000 metric tons per year, emphasizing the needs of effective waste management system. Farm emissions are the largest contribution or contributors to fine particulate air pollution from human resource. The anaerobic digestion process in a biogas digester is a biological treatment method where organic waste materials like livestock manure, food waste, and plant residues are broken down by microorganisms in an oxygen-free environment to produce biogas digestate. In modern ways and water treatment system, three core technologies play crucial roles in producing purifications and material refinement: the dewatering screw press, liquid filtration system, and the continuous tunnel dryer. Each of these systems has distinct functions but collectively support the transformations of organic waste into manageable, reusable, and environmentally safe output. The development of a biofilter system begins with the utilizations of animal manure such as primary unit material. These organic waste often produced in large quantities in agricultural settings serves as a resource for creating or enhancing the filtration media used in biofilter. This study developed a prototype aims at reducing odors from animal manure, particularly from biogas digestate. The design features a turbulent airflow with consistent velocity simulations result despite varying pressure. One of its strengths it is AC maintenance and monitoring. Key design aspects include reduce empty bed contact time, lead to the use of smaller media which increase air velocity but also cause a drop in volume and pressure. The system must maintain a pressure drop below 62 Pascal to ensure proper fan efficiency. Thus, build-up media settling and material degradation can increase pressure resistance over time. Airflow rate assumptions were based on emissions estimate from nanofertilizer processing. With the peak value measured under control condition, the use of three filter cylinder was determined through a volumetric airflow calculation, ensuring sufficient residence time and allowing operational redundancy during maintenance. The use of stainless steel was limited to flat bar and screen due to their constant exposure to the moisture and the corrosive gases. Other structural components were constructed with galvanized steel to the balance corrosion resistance and cost efficiency. This design discussion was made based on material performance under respective environmental conditions. Using SolidWorks, several simulations were conducted on the first biofilter design at velocities 1 meter per second, 2 meter per second, and 3 meters per second. The CFD result displayed laminar flow with fluid moving smoothly in parallel layers from the intake at the bottom to the outlet. The media inside biofilter caused the fluid to gradually slow down after entering. However, this design was not selected due to its complex and the time-consuming maintenance. Especially monitoring the filter's media required removing gaskets, which has impractical for regular use. Second biofilter design features a side intake and the simulations show a turbulent flow pattern. As the pressure drop increase, the amount of air moved by the ventilations fans decreases. Upon entering, the fluid velocity drops due to the resistance of air filter media, while pressure builds up to the first media layer. Key factors influencing this pressure drop includes media structure, moisture content, gas of phase velocity, and bed depth. Third biofilter design selected for prototype fabrication due to its balanced performance and practical usability. Simulations at velocity 1 meters per second, 2 meters per second, 3 meters per second shows consistent turbulent flow throughout the structure. Unlike previous design, this configuration features three vertically aligned cylindrical equipped with butterfly and check valve, enabling a more uniform distributions of airflow. One of its key advantages was to ease the monitoring and maintenance, allowing real-time inspection without requiring system shutdown or disassembly. The design incorporated a reduced empty bed contact time, which allow for the use of smaller media while pressure and volume decrease as air passed through the media. The drop was moderate and eventually distributed. This consistency ensured the system operated efficiency within the recommended pressure drop limit of 62 Pascal. Design 3 stood out as the most effective and manageable solution, balancing aerodynamic with operational convenience, and was selected for further testing and evaluation. Conclusion: this study developed a biofilter prototype to reduce odor emissions from nanofertilizer derived from biogas digestate using safety simulation, material selections, and trade-off analysis. This prototype, featuring a three cylindrical system with butterfly and check valve, proved most efficient and easy to maintain without interrupting filtrations. It ensures uniform airflow, minimal pressure drop, and stable performance. That's all for today, and thank you, and God bless.